Séura's weatherproof slim wall mount is designed to mount televisions and accessories weighing up to 200 pounds to a vertical firm wall. Séura mounts are protected by advanced corrosion resistance and designed for easy installation. This video explains the process to mount Séura outdoor televisions and accessories on the SW-2 slim wall mount. Refer to the installation guide for comprehensive product details and instructions for your Séura mount. The wall where the Séura mount is installed must support at least 5 times the weight of the television and the mount combined. This mount is for installation to wood studs, concrete, brick, or stone. Do not install the mount on metal stud walls. At least 2 qualified people should install the TV and Séura mount. While all hardware is included with your Séura mount, here are some tools you'll want to have on hand. First, choose your mounting location. Page 14 of the installation manual provides measurements from the edges of the Séura outdoor TVs to the edges of the wall plate for easy location. Level the template on the wall and mark 4 hole locations in the template slots, 2 holes on the top and 2 holes on the bottom. For TV sizes 65 inches and larger, mark and utilize 6 hole locations instead of 4. If mounting to wood wall studs, use an edge-to-edge stud finder to locate the center of the studs. All hole locations must be centered on a stud. Pre-drill the marked holes on the wall 3 inches deep. For wood stud walls, use a 7/32 of an inch drill bit. For concrete, brick, or stone walls, drill a 7/16 inch hole and insert the included plastic anchor into each hole. If necessary, lightly tap each anchor into place with a hammer. For all wall types, align the mounting plate with the pre-drilled holes, ensuring that the arrows are pointing up. Tighten all lag screws using a socket wrench and a 1/2 inch socket. Next, prepare the TV by removing the 4 VESA mount screws from the back of your TV. Place the 2 identical slim mount TV brackets flat against the back of the TV with the arrows pointed towards the top of the TV. Note that select models require attaching the soundbar via bracket during this step. Line the brackets up with the VESA mount fastener locations. For Séura outdoor TVs, reference page 14 of the installation guide for the bracket hole that should be used. Secure the brackets to the TV using the same 4 VESA mount screws. Do not over-tighten. With at least 2 people, lift the TV and bring the back of the TV towards the wall, positioning it slightly above the mounting plate. Lower the TV to latch the bottom hooks of the TV brackets to the bottom rail of the mounting plate. Bring the top of the TV closer to the wall to latch the top hooks of the TV brackets to the top rail of the mounting plate. Make sure the bottom and top rails are fully engaged. Do not let go of the TV until you are certain that the top and bottom hooks of both mounting brackets are securely engaged on the top and bottom rails of the mounting plate. To fine-tune the level of your TV, use the provided T27 security torque screwdriver. The leveling screw is located at the top of the TV brackets. Tighten or loosen the screw to either raise or lower each side of the TV. If you have additional installation questions, please contact the Séura support team at 1-800-957-3872.